Hello everyone, welcome to Asani Study. Today we will learn to draw Batman versus Superman in an easy way. First we are drawing Superman. Now we are drawing Batman. Then thank you.